Welcome, Dreamedia family, to another episode. In today's video, we are about to check out a brand new product that Dreamedia has the exclusive on. Do you have an ugly home theater? Well, today we are introducing Cineluxe, a product to transform your ugly home theater into a beautiful masterpiece that you want to show off. If you're looking to create an experience in your home theater, solve the acoustic slap echo issues that I'm facing right now in this room, and you also want the beautiful aesthetics of like a stretch fabric system matched with optimal acoustic performance, you gotta check this product out. I've never touched it, I've never felt it, but I've seen it on video calls, and I can't tell you guys how stoked I am to get my hands on this brand new intuitive product. Apparently, unlike traditional stretch fabric systems that could take me 6 months to a year to install coordinating with general contractors, we can get this installation done in 2 to 3 days. We're gonna put it to the test, guys. I don't know if that's actually possible, but we've already installed a full 9.8.6 Dolby Atmos system in this space, and now we're gonna dress it up and make it look absolutely stunning. A room that's worthy of showing off. All right, guys, I'm gonna have the guys bring in the product and I'm gonna start unboxing it and giving you my honest feedback about the quality and the build and how easy it is to install. And then, of course, the reveal at the end to show how stunning the overall aesthetic of the space is. I would also like you to take note of the acoustics in the space. Pretty rough right now. I'm sure this is exactly how a lot of your rooms sound currently. We're here to fix that. Introducing Cineluxe. Let's go! The guys start out by just bringing in one of each of the products. We're gonna do the sound absorption with the LED integration. These have these little LED tracks, which I think is just so cool, where you can kind of have a column, these LED columns that can integrate in with the control system as well as the rest of the house, but they're flush inset into the panels. It should be so cool, guys. And then we got some wood diffusers, which are gonna be here at the rear of the room, and that's gonna help liven up the space. Ooh, check it, guys. Really clean stretch fabric. This is gonna be kind of the finished look. It should look very elegant, and it's just gonna hide all of the speakers throughout the room. So if you look on the back here, guys, these come in different thicknesses, and the sound absorption is actually inside. So if I kind of peel it back, see how thick this sound absorption is? It's not just a pretty grill, right? It's actually providing acoustic treatment to the space. So every single panel has this absorption inside. I guess let's just start taking everything out, guys. Yeah, why not? So, I'm not sure what the holes are for there, but we'll start lining them up. These come in all different sizes, guys. I went with some of the smaller panels just because I wanted to kind of wrap my head around the modular aspect of it. But keep in mind, these come in 2x8 sheets. So just imagine, which I'll probably be offering these and selling more of these in the future, but just imagine having a 2-foot by 8-foot section that you could just hang right on the wall. I wanted to show you guys how modular it is. And if you look here, see how you can line them right up so the LED integrates flush mount right into the side of it. These are the little pieces of tape here. And basically we're just gonna inset our LED here, and then we're gonna put the diffuser right over top of it. Okay, we got all of our cleats here. This is gonna allow us to mount to the wall and to the ceilings. If you look right here, it's like a little J hook. And we're gonna need a lot of these bad boys. So I'm gonna just lay them right here for now. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see, what else we got? Oh, more hooks. Great. So this is all of our hardware needed. Variety of different sizes. We have them all the way from 1 foot by 2 foot to, and even 6 inches by 1 foot, all the way up to 2 foot by 8 foot, to where we can just literally cover the whole wall. I mean, even just here in this corner, I can already hear a sound improvement. It's crazy. Wait till you hear the sound difference in this room. There's some additional back boxes. All right, now these are some of the most frequently used panels that I think we're gonna be installing in customers' homes. These are absorption panels. So it's just stretch fabric across the front. On the back, we have our metal frame. And then again, it's not just to look pretty. Look at how thick the absorption is inside. And that's what helps reduce the echo inside of the space. This is the H33 600 by 600 millimeter, which is about 2 feet by 2 feet. So I think this is gonna be our best-selling SKU, guys. And this comes in different colors as well. This is what's featured here is gray. We're trying to keep the room fairly bright. Oh, check it out, guys. So this is our Wavewood Diffuser. This product here serves multiple different purposes. It actually has diffusion here on the front, and then behind it, if you see, it's a double panel. It actually has the absorption as well. But this is going to be going at the rear of the room to liven up our effects at the rear of the space. For now, I'll just lay these right here. Oh, sweet. So this is not just diffusion, this is absorption as well. It's called a multi-diffuser. And we're gonna orient it kind of like this to where it has a really cool look on the back wall. As you can see, I mean, this room is already, you're starting to feel the vibe coming together. Now, these right here, I think are really cool, okay? That panel that I showed you over here is just a blank, right? It's just absorption, it's just stretch fabric. Now, imagine if you could inset an LED into it. Well, that's what we have here. So we're actually gonna create like columns, lighting columns, up and down the sides of the room as well as over the top. And we're gonna line these up. If you don't want the LED integration, you have a standard panel, both options. Okay, so let's see how many of these we got. Just imagine, look, as we start to stack them, see how they're gonna line right up and create a beautiful aesthetic in the space. Man, this is exciting, guys. If you are familiar with the Dreamedia channel, you've probably seen that we offer acoustics room panels in addition to our Novian room panels. But this is a brand new product that nobody else in the country is selling, and I'm really excited to see how it changes the acoustic performance in the space as well as the aesthetic. Again, I'm trying to make all the ugly theaters in America look pretty, and I think we're gonna do it with this product right here. So we're actually lining these up kind of like this, guys, across the wall. So we're gonna have 3 tall there, and basically consistently down the wall. I'll have to look at the room rendering. Can't get to it right now, but the room rendering has it to where they're equally spread out all the way down the wall, so that it's like kind of like you're in a spaceship, right? It should be a really cool vibe. So just imagine as we go up the wall, listen to my voice, even right here. You guys should be able to tell. It's dampening the audio drastically. Every panel we pull out, even before it's on the wall, I can already hear it sounding better. If you guys look up here on the wall, what all these terminations are for the LED integration. So the LEDs are gonna run up and down the wall, and we already have our wires ready to go there. Oh, cool. Quick connects too. Check this out. This is sweet. I think these are called WAGO connections in electrical terms. Basically put the wire in and snap it right down. Quick and easy. I really like that. That's sweet. You look, it's just little fiber optic strands that are punched through. Stretch fabric. And then quick, easy connectors here on the back. You guys are here for the raw, behind the scenes, vlog style introduction to Cineluxe. I'm happy to be here, guys. Thank you so much for following along. All of my subscribers, all 114,000 of you guys, thank you so much. I cannot do it without you guys. You are the best. Comment down below, let me know if we did your home theater. If we did your home theater in the past, maybe you're ready for a little refresh, a little update to the aesthetics of the space. This could be the perfect project for you. Look at this, guys. This is what this room is gonna look like after. Here. Guys, check this out. All these panels, this is what it's gonna look like when it's done. Can you see that? Look at that. Ooh, guys, this is gonna be so clean. This room right here will look like this when we're done. Oh, this is so cool. I've been doing audio video for 13 years, guys, and I've been looking for a product like this with no luck that gives the stretch fabric look without a $500,000 price tag, or realistically like a $300,000 to $500,000 price tag. It's not cheap, but this is gonna be quality, performance, and a good price point. Yeah, let's go. If you look at the render, guys, so we're gonna have one here at the front of the room that's just absorption, and this is for our primary reflection point. And then we're gonna have absorption with the LED integration for our second one, and then another standard absorption. And then we're going to, the next one after that, we got absorption LED, absorption LED, absorption LED. It's absorption LED all the way down. So we just gotta space these out. Well, luckily, we'll only have to customize the star ceiling panels for 2 of them. I think in the future, we're gonna request from the manufacturer and see if they can actually pre-install the speakers inside of the star ceiling. Because what I'm looking at here, guys, is I thought this was gonna be a stretch fabric with stars integrated in, but it's actually more of a velvet material with a backer. So what we'll have to do is install the speaker inside of this, cutting this a hole out of this. And what I think we'll do in the future is just have them pre-install the speaker in the panel, so it's all panel speaker everything, and just connect the speaker wires, connect the LED wires, and you're off to the races. Check it out, Dreamedia family. So we're moving along with this project, getting the star ceiling installed. This is a huge accomplishment. We're staying late tonight just to kind of get things prepped and ready for tomorrow, so we feel like we're somewhat on schedule.